তো আজকে পার্ট স্ট্রিংস ইন জাভা বাট পার্ট 2 প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাস ছিল পার্ট 1 নাও ইজ পার্ট 2 তো রিমেনিং স্ট্রিং ফাংশনস according to the ICC syllabus আমাদের 2 lower case and 2 upper case. So these two functions basically used for converting the case of the character. Case means the uppercase or lowercase. So two lowercase function converts strings into lowercase, that is in small letters, and two uppercase functions convert the strings into uppercase or the capital letters. Both the functions returns a string. Suppose example string s is equal to 32 Diamond Harbour Road and string p is equal to s dot 2 uppercase, and system.out.println p, it will print the strings all in capital letter. Other than the alphabets remain same, like 32 is not an alphabet, so 32 remains 32, blank space remains blank space, only the alphabet will be changed their cases. If it is capital letter and if you want to convert to 2 uppercase, so it remains same. But if it is small letters and convert to uppercase, then it will convert into the capital letter. Similar example for the 2 lowercase also. 2 lowercase convert the entire string into small letters. Entire strings, only the alphabet part. Other than the alphabet part remains same. If it is digits, if it is special characters, it remains same. But if it is alphabet, then 2 lowercase means it will convert into the lowercase. If the string is already in lowercase, so it remains same. So this is the function of 2 lowercase and 2 uppercase. Next function is compared to function, very useful function, and it will little bit of tricky. Compared to functions used for checking whether the two strings are equal or not, like the equals and equal signal case. Compared to also function for checking whether the two strings are equal or not, but the working of the compared to is totally different from equals and equal signal case. Compared to functions returns an integer value, whereas equals and equal ignore case returns a boolean value. Compared to functions only check the equality of the strings, but also check whether the string is bigger or smaller than the other. Bigger and smaller, not in the length. It will not compare with the length. It will compare with the string's position in the dictionary order, that is A to Z order. Example, S1, if the string S1 is equal to cat and S2 is equal to dog, so int p is equal to S1 dot compared to S2, that means it will comparing cat with dog with their ASCII value. What is ASCII value? Now, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Every characters in your keyboard has a specific decimal value which is known as ASCII value. And for the alphabet, capital letter A to Z is 65 to 90 and small letter A to Z from 97 to 122. So it will compare each and every characters with their ASCII value. So in case of cat and dog, C of the cat and D of the dog is differ. So it will return the ASCII difference of C and D. So that means the ASCII value of C minus the ASCII value of D. So it will return -1. Another example is there. So compared to functions, compare each and every character of two strings with their ASCII value. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And what are the ASCII value? You have to remember, now, capital A is 65, capital Z is 90, small a is 97, small z is 122, 0 digit 0's ASCII is 48 and digit 9's ASCII is 57. You have to remember this pair of values. ASCII value ranging from 0 to 255, ranging from 0 to 255. If any character in a position is different, then it returns difference of ASCII value of two characters. Like example, in the previous example, two strings are cat and dog. In the previous program, S1 is cat and S2 is dog. So that means it will first character of the two strings are unequal, C of cat and D of dog. So it will return the ASCII difference of C and D, which is -1. And for the next example, so another example, suppose string X is equal to Kolkata and string Y is equal to Cochin. And if you say int P is equal to X dot compared to Y, so it will comparing Kolkata with Cochin. So what will be the output? Listen very carefully. So K of Kolkata and K of Cochin is equal, then proceed to the next character. O of Kolkata and O of Cochin also same, proceed to the next character. L of Kolkata and C of Cochin is not equal. That means here is the difference found in the two string. So it will return the ASCII difference of L and C. So ASCII value of L is greater than C, and the difference is between L and C is 9 characters. So after C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, 9 characters are there. So it will return the ASCII difference between the character of L and character of C, which is 9. So in other words, if return value is negative like the previous one, in case of cat and dog, it will return -1. In case of Kolkata and Cochin, it return positive value. So if the return value is negative, then the invoking string, what is invoking string? Now X is the invoking string because X is calling the function compared to and Y is the parameterized string of the compared to function. So X is the invoking string. So if the return value is negative, then invoking string is smaller than the parameter string. Smaller is not in length, smaller in dictionary order. In your dictionary, cat is always before dog. So cat is less than dog. And if it is positive like Kolkata and Cochin, so invoking string, that is Kolkata is the invoking string, is greater than the parameter string. And if it is 0, that means if the compared to value is 0, then two strings are identical. So these are the compared to little bit of difference between equals and equal case. Next function is compared to ignore case. Same as compared to, but it will ignoring the case of the two strings. The same logic will be implemented here, like the compared to and compared to ignore case. The same logic will be implemented here. It will also return the ASCII difference between the two strings. If it is negative, then the invoking string is smaller. If it is positive, then the invoking string is greater. The same logic will be there, but only the difference is between the compared to and compared to ignore cases is compared to ignore cases, ignoring the two strings case. That is, if it is upper, if it is lower, just ignoring that case. And it will compare the two strings lexicographically. Lexicographically means the dictionary order is known as lexicographically. The comparison is based on the Unicode value of each character of the string converted to lowercase. So first it will convert to the lowercase, whatever the string, it will straight away convert to lowercase, and after converting the lowercase, it will find whether the two strings are equal or not. Method returns 0 if the two strings are equal, like the equal ignore case, and it returns negative value if the calling string or the invoking string is less than the other string, and positive value is returned when the calling or the invoking string is greater than the parameterized string. So these are the compared to ignore cases. Next, twin functions are there, starts with and ends with. So it will check whether the strings is beginning with a specific string or ends with a specific strings or not. Its return type is Boolean, starts with and ends with, return type is Boolean. So these functions returns a Boolean type value, and if it is true, then the string starts with a specific string, and in case of ends with, if it is returns true, then it will return true means the strings is ends with a specific strings. Example like string s is equal to computer and string p is equal to co. And if you say s dot starts with p, that means if computer it starts with co. In case of computer, computer it starts with co, that means the value of b will be true. And if the value of p is co all in caps, so then it will return false, because co, C capital and O small letter in the original string, and if you search with C capital and O capital, it returns false because it's a case sensitive. Next function is trim. Trim used for removing blank space from the both side of the string. That means eliminate the blank space, that is leading and trailing blanks from the string. Suppose example string s is equal to so many blank space, then comes is computer education, then so many blank space. And if you say p is equal to string p is equal to s dot trim, it will eliminate the leading and trailing blank from the string. That means the output will be only comes is computer education, no starting and ending blanks are there without the leading and trailing blanks. So trim function just eliminate the leading and trailing blank, not delete the blanks between the words. It only delete the starting blank and ending blank. Trim function. Next function is concat. Concat functions used to join two string. We can join two string using the plus operator in Java also, because plus operator in case of string is known as string concatenation operators. So without using the plus operator, we can also concat the two string, that is join two string using the concat function. So concat is a function whose return type is string, and using the concat function we can concat two strings and store the resultant into another string. Like example, s1 is equal to hello and s2 is equal to world, and if you say s1 dot concat s2, the value of the s3 will be hello world. And we can also perform the concatenation operator using the plus sign. Next function is replace. So replace function used for replacing a particular character with a new character in a given string, and its return type is string. Suppose if you want to replace A with I in string Kolkata, then the syntax will be str dot replace within single quotation A and within single quotation I. And if you say system dot out dot println nstr, it will print KOLKITI. That means all the alphabet of A will be replaced by letter I. So these are the all string functions.